Now, the patterns don't actually always work out to be as simple as the previous example. So let's look at one that's a little more complex. Now, once again, I am going to identify the number of triangles, like in my first example here, 1, as the x or the input, and then the output or the y is going to be its perimeter, in this case 12. Now I'm going to put these together similarly to how I did before, so let me go ahead and just write out a few examples here. Now, in this example, I'm not actually going to come up with a particular relationship, but I wanted to show you that there are some organizational techniques that will help us to kind of get an idea of what the relationship might be. In this case, I'm actually going to make a table. It's just a way of organizing all of my x values and y values. So I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to be my inputs, and then their corresponding outputs I'll put here on the right. Now, one of the things that you should immediately notice is the fact that this is not in and of itself a linear function, meaning that it does not go up at a constant rate. However, you'll probably notice that there is a bit of a pattern there, +2, +6, +2, +6. So all I'm getting at here is that in this case, it might be more difficult for us to write out the pattern, but it's still, of course, possible. And what we'll find is that as our mathematical skills get better and better, we can write out more and more complex functions for relationships that to the naked eye might not even seem as though they have a relationship at all.